Under a 400x microscope, chicken feet reveal details that highlight potential health risks, making them both fascinating and a little frightening. While they are popular in various cuisines and valued for their collagen and nutrients, chicken feet can harbor harmful bacteria, foreign substances, and microscopic structures that might carry risks, especially if not properly handled and cooked. The high level of magnification brings out aspects of chicken feet that are invisible to the naked eye, underscoring the importance of proper cleaning and cooking. Bacterial contamination risks. One of the most significant dangers associated with chicken feet lies in bacterial contamination. Even with the visible surface cleaned, bacteria like Salmonella and Campylobacter can remain, clinging to the tiny ridges and grooves of the scales. Under a microscope, these crevices become apparent, providing a potential haven for bacteria. While cooking at high temperatures can kill these pathogens, improper cleaning or undercooking may leave harmful bacteria alive. Ingesting contaminated chicken feet can lead to foodborne illnesses, with symptoms ranging from mild digestive discomfort to severe dehydration and, in some cases, even hospitalization. Dirt, grime, and foreign particles magnification also reveals traces of dirt, grime, and foreign particles that can be hard to see with the naked eye. Chickens spend much of their lives pecking and scratching around in the dirt, so it's common for their feet to come into contact with various contaminants, including soil, feces, and other debris. These particles can get trapped between scales and within the tissue folds of the foot. When viewed under a microscope, the dirt appears as tiny granules and fibers lodged in crevices, which, if not removed, could carry additional bacteria or pollutants that pose health risks when consumed. Residual chemical exposure. Chickens raised on commercial farms often come into contact with chemicals, antibiotics, or pesticide, which may leave microscopic residues on their skin. Under a 400x microscope, tiny chemical particles may be visible clinging to the surface. Consuming chicken feet with residual chemicals, especially if they've been insufficiently cleaned, could expose individuals to substances that may be harmful over time, potentially affecting the liver, kidneys, or overall health. Organic or naturally raised chicken feet are generally a safer choice, but even they should be properly cleaned and cooked to avoid any chemical remnants. Parasites and microscopic organisms. Chicken feet can also carry tiny parasites or microorganisms that are visible under high magnification. Parasites, such as mites, may lodge in the scales and tissues, and although these organisms are usually killed during cooking, improperly cooked chicken feet can leave some parasites active. Under a microscope, these tiny organisms can appear as small, segmented bodies or as tiny specks clinging to the surface. Consuming undercooked chicken feet that still contain parasites could lead to gastrointestinal issues or other health problems. The importance of proper preparation. The microscopic view of chicken feet reveals why careful preparation is essential. Cleaning alone may not be enough to remove every particle, bacteria, or potential contaminant hiding in the crevice. Boiling or cooking at high temperatures is necessary to kill any pathogens and ensure safety. Additionally, soaking the feet in water with vinegar or salt can help to loosen dirt and debris, which can further reduce the chances of contamination. A cautionary approach. Although chicken feet are nutritious and enjoyed by many, viewing them under a microscope emphasizes their potential dangers if not properly handled. Each tiny structure, whether scales, fibers, or particles, offers a place where harmful bacteria, foreign contaminants, and parasites can reside. By cleaning and cooking chicken feet thoroughly, it's possible to enjoy their benefits while minimizing health risks. The microscopic details of chicken feet serve as a reminder of the importance of food safety and the unseen risks that may come with popular foods. Proper preparation and cooking are key to enjoying chicken feet safely, ensuring that their hidden dangers don't make their way into our meals.